Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 and the gear selector won't come out of parking position because of a drained battery or a defective fuse, you just have to follow 3 simple steps to unlock it. First, remove the gear shift gator, pressing on both sides to lift it up. If you can see, there's some tabs on both sides of the gator. Then you can see the yellow part that you have to press it. So there it is. But first, press the brake pedal to be sure that the car doesn't move. Then press on the yellow part and keep pressing until you shift the selector from P position into the N position. Then release the yellow part, and then after you finish to move the car, you can put the gear selector back in P position, in the park position, and install the cover back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.